Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable dark mode on Mozilla Firefox web browser in Windows PC guys. I'll show you guys how to do that. First open up Firefox and click on this three slash menu and select settings. On left side select general. On right side you just need to scroll down under the website appearance. Select to dark and after selecting it close it off here and now relaunch the browser. After doing it, dark mode has been enabled in our Firefox web browser guys. That's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.